Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking cables and power so the system recognizes the monitor immediately. Open Display Settings now, on Windows Search Display, and on macOS Open System Preferences Displays. Your goal is to see the numbered displays. That number tells you which monitor the OS treats as primary. Once visible, make sure resolution and scale are set correctly so icons and text don't jump when you switch. This avoids window rearrangement and gives a stable baseline for the next steps. Now choose the monitor to make primary and act decisively. Click its number or icon. On Windows, check the box labeled "Make this my main display" and press Apply. On macOS, drag the white menu bar to the desired display and arrangement. Doing this tells the OS where to place the taskbar, dock, and new windows. Once done, watch for the desktop and taskbar to relocate. That visual confirmation means the system accepted the change, and your workflow will flow to the chosen screen. Finish by tailoring resolution and scaling so text and UI elements are readable and proportional on the new main display. If certain apps didn't follow, restart them or sign out and back in to force a reposition. If the taskbar or dock still won't stick, reboot once. If problems persist, try a different cable or update the graphics/display driver to resolve detection bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping the cable often reveals if the issue is hardware rather than a settings problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.